Are you cruising to Catalina Island with Carnival on the Radiance, Firenze, or Panorama? Do not waste your money on overpriced excursions. I'm going to show you the best free thing to do that's only minutes from the ship, and it ends with dessert. My name is Reuben, and I am not a cruise expert, but I approve this message. Have you been to Catalina Island before? Comment below what is your favorite thing to do and let us know if this is your first time or if you're planning your first cruise. This 15-minute walk is a must do when you stop at Catalina Island. So put on your walking shoes as we hike to the best lookout spot on the island. Also, keep your eyes peeled for hidden ducks along the way. Comment below with their timestamps, and if you find all of them, you might get a shout out. At various points in the video will be opportunities for you to choose your own adventure. Let the video play to follow the detours, or skip ahead to the chapter marker if you want to get to the lookout spot as fast as you can. To get to Catalina Island from your cruise ship, you are going to take a tender boat. Go down to deck 1 and wait in line to get on the boat. When you arrive at Avalon, walk up the walkway to the top of the pier ramp and turn right. Don't worry, I am going to give you turn-by-turn, step-by-step directions, so when you get here, you will know exactly where to go. Walk all the way down this strip and turn right when you get to the start of this downtown area. Once you are on the boardwalk, you are going to keep walking past all of these shops on your left. Now don't worry, we're going to come back. There are some great restaurants and shops here that we will stop by on the way back. Keep walking, and when you get to this intersection is our first choose your own adventure. As we keep going, we find this little shopping complex. There is this coffee shop that my friends and I found while we stayed on the island for a week. They have some good coffee and some nice pastries. Now let's go back, and we will keep walking until this street splits into 3 options. The middle option takes us up this hill towards the lookout spot, but let's take the far right option and check out this other free lookout spot at the casino. Keep walking down this walkway and you will see this huge round building that's called the casino, but there's no casino in it. On the ocean side, there are some great views here, and you can even see your cruise ship. Now, if you keep walking down, you get to the Desconso Beach Club, where sometimes you can even see deer. But let's get back on track and head back to the road where it splits and take the middle option and head uphill. When you get to the end and the street turns left, go straight and take these stairs all the way up. This is a great time to take a break and check out the amazing view. Continue climbing these stairs until you get to this dead end where you see this black gate. Then turn left and get ready for an even steeper set of stairs. Whew. All right, let's keep going. Man, so many stairs. There's a few twists and turns here, but that's okay. Keep going. Don't forget to take some breaks to check out your progress and see the amazing views as they start getting better and better. Oh, and speaking of breaks, did you catch the ducks that I've been sprinkling into the video? Shout out to both Chris's, Chris with a C and Chris with a K. Chris with a K has her own YouTube channel, Ohio Travels with Chris. Go check her out. When we get to the top, it looks like we are walking through someone's driveway alley. Don't worry, keep walking until you see this area and turn to your left to check out this nice view. This is Avalon. Okay, back to the hike. Keep walking and curve right while heading downhill. When you get to the end, turn left and walk down this road until it dead ends at the T. Look out for traffic and then turn right to start heading uphill again. From here, we will be walking up and on a roadway, so watch out for both cars and golf carts. Straight in front of you is this bench. We are going to take a water break. We're going to come here, chill, sit down, and take a water break. Okay, let's get back at it. Follow the road and keep winding upwards. When you get to this T intersection, keep going straight past the Do Not Enter sign. In front of you is the Zane Grey Pueblo Hotel, and here you turn right. As you round the corner to turn left, check out this house on the hill. Wouldn't this be a sweet place to live? Keep an eye out for golf carts and keep going up. you can start seeing some great views of the cruise ship here. You're doing great. Stay with me. We will get there. And remember, the end is going to be amazing. This hike ends with amazing views and the best ice cream on the island. Up here on the right is the Chimes Tower of Avalon. Quick explanation. Catalina Island is the name of the entire island, and Avalon is the incorporated city where most of the tourists hang out and where you come either from a cruise ship or you can come here from Los Angeles. Now, if this video has already been fun and helpful, please smash that subscribe button, as it really helps the YouTube algorithm, and you will also get more Carnival videos coming your way. When you get to the top and see this fence, sneak past it and make your way out to the lookout point and rejoice because you are here. To the left, you can see out into the ocean and more of Catalina Island, but to the right is where you get this amazing view of the city of Avalon. Now, before you head back to the ship, do not miss stopping at Sailor's Delight. This is a hidden gem and has the best ice cream on the entire island. It's better than Swirls. Now that you have seen Catalina's best free secret, find out if I got ripped off or if I had the best time ever on this $76 Cabo excursion.